we're going to be looking at finding the surface area of a cylinder. Now, we've just learnt in the previous video that our rule was 2 circles plus the circumference times by the height. So this is the rule we're going to be using to find the surface area of a cylinder. Now in the example, we need to identify our R and our H. Okay, so let's have a look. Well, R is the radius, and we can see that this part here must be the radius. Therefore, R must be 5. The height of this, and on this cylinder we can see is laying on its side, but this is still the height, 25. So we've found our radius and we've found our height. The next step is to substitute in. The total surface area is 2 times pi times radius squared plus 2 pi times radius times by height. Next step is to expand. I'm going to practice doing exact values first and then 2 decimal places as the question is asked. So 5 squared is 25. Let's collect our like terms. So 5 squared, 25 times 2 is 50 pi plus 25 times 2 is 50 plus 5 is 250 pi. Now think of algebra. You know, if I had 5x plus 2x, that's equal to, oops, I just written y, I don't know why. Let's try this. That's equal to 7x, right? So this is called like terms. And we can add like terms together in algebra. Same thing here, if we have pi's, we've got 50 pi's plus another 250 pi's. It stands to reason that in total, we have 300 pi. We put in our units, it's surface area, so meters squared. And then I'm going to put in brackets, this is our exact value answer. Now, the question does ask for 2 decimal places. Let's go 300, shift, and that button for pi equals, and we'll go to 2 decimal places. 942.477 dot dot dot. I'm just showing it to show the rounding. We're going to 2 decimal places, so we're going up to the 7. The neighbor to that 7 is that 7 there. That's going to round up this 7 here. So what's our final answer? 942.48, and then add the units, meters squared. So that's to 2 decimal places. So this is how to find the surface area of a cylinder. We have a your turn next, so I'll show you the question, then I want you to have a crack at it. So pause the video now. So have a shot at the question, complete it. So pause the video and then in a bit we'll go through the answers. Okay, we're going to go through the answers now. So we've got this shape here. This is R, this is H. Total surface area is 2 lots of pi r squared plus 2 pi rh, sub in. Now I hope you did practice your exact values. 36 times 2 is 72 pi plus 12 times 13, 144,169. Let's just double check. Times by 12, 156 pi. Then we add these together as they're like terms. So let's go plus 72, and out pops 228 pi. And then we add our units, centimeters squared, and in brackets, I'm going to say that is my exact answer. Next, let's find our our answer to 2 decimal places, as the question is asked for that as well. Times by the answer, and we get 716.28 centimeters squared. Okay, this is how we do it. That's a simple question on how to find the total surface area of a cylinder using our formula 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. In the next video, we'll be looking at slightly trickier examples.